Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make ginger garlic paste from scratch. Before I begin, please take a second to like and subscribe. Thank you. To make ginger garlic paste, you will need 150 grams or 1 cup of peeled garlic cloves, 150 grams or 1 cup of fresh peeled ginger, 125 milliliters or half a cup of oil, 125 milliliters or half a cup of water, and 1 small pile of fresh chopped coriander stalks. Start by cutting the stalks off of some fresh coriander. You can save the remaining leaves, bagged in the refrigerator for a week or two. Peel all the garlic, then remove as much of the skin from around the ginger as possible. Once complete, chop the ginger into 1-inch pieces. You can leave the garlic whole. Place the garlic ginger, coriander stalks, oil, and water into a blender. Split in bursts for around 10 seconds. Transfer to a pot and keep refrigerated for up to a week. Alternatively, place into ice cube trays, freeze, then pop out into a bag or container and store frozen for up to 3 months. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.